In this video, I'll show you how to edit your name on Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Facebook page, right? This is our Facebook page. So click on this, click on the settings and privacy, click on the settings, wait for it to load up, right? Once it has opened up right now, you're going to click on this personal details, right? Click on the personal details, wait for it to load up as well. Okay, yeah, so this is the personal details. This was what came out. So right here you can see a lot of options right here. So you're gonna click on your profile, right? And you can see your name, your username, your profile picture, your avatar, right? So you can just click on the name right here because we wanna edit the name, right? So you can see my first name is Emmanuel, the surname is Jack, right? So you can come on here, you can edit it. Once you're done, you're gonna click on this review changes and everything is gonna change. Okay, yeah, from this option you can see the first name and the surname, right? So you can come on here and edit your name if you want. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next video.